man. King of bling. You know what I'm doing? About to wrap it up some jewelry for the boss man. P.Diddy, man. Thank you. We've been doing business forever, a long time. And this is special his birthday. Happy birthday, you know, love. Big 50. It is, you know, special birthday. So I just go to the airport, wrap it up some jewelry. Diamond boy. You know, man, what it do? We out here. Miami is about wrapping up some jewelry for P.Diddy. You know, we've been doing business for years, especially this time. It's 50th birthday. Happy birthday to P.Diddy. You know, big love. Diamond boy.
Great, great. And our birthday is one of the best birthday gifts ever.
Okay, you get yourself. Yeah, they get a diamond. You can wear all different outfits, you know. Hey, it's special right here. Big boss birthday. Dropping off 300 can of diamond.